Hi everyone, it's Pam and welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing one of Thai's spicy snacks slash appetizer. It's spicy, tangy, get some kicks from the herbs and fun to share. Laab meatballs or spicy Thai meatballs. Okay, here's what we need. On the left will be all the seasonings for the meatballs, and on the right will be the herbs we're going to be using. Some minced pork, fish sauce, lime, pork or chicken seasoning powder to blend the taste. If you don't have, use sugar instead. Chili flakes, ground toasted rice or khao khua. I'll show you later how to make it. Very simple and easy. Tempura flour. If you don't have it, you can replace with all-purpose flour. For the herbs, we need red onion or shallots, whatever you have. Coriander, we're going to use both leaves and stems. Green onion. Mint leaves. And this is optional, Kaffir lime leaves. Frozen, but still look good, right? If it's not common to get in your area as well, this is how to keep them. Clean the leaves, pat them completely dry, fold with a paper towel and put in a sealed bag in the freezer. Stay for months. These have been like 3 months already. Dried chilies for garnishing. You can leave it out if you want. And vegetable oil. Okay, let's start. Finally, chop all the herbs, the green onion, coriander, and red onion as much as you want. I'm using around 2 tablespoons each. If you are adding kaffir lime leaves as well, stack 3 to 4 leaves up like this. Roll them tightly. Then slice very finely because it can be chewy and fibrous if we don't do this. Mint leaves, do the same. Slice finely. To get the most juice out of the lime, roll and massage it first. Then cut lengthwise around the core and squeeze. Grab a mixing bowl. Minced pork 300 grams, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 4 tablespoons lime juice, a half teaspoon pork or chicken seasoning powder. If you don't have this, use 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon chili flakes or as you want, a couple tablespoons ground toasted rice. For a quick version, put a couple tablespoons glutinous rice on a pan or pot. Keep it moving until it turns brown and smells nutty. Then we're gonna grind them into powder with some bits here and there, like this. For the full version with herbs, you can also check the link out in the description of this video. Okay, after that, 3 tablespoons tempura flour. And add the herbs we chopped earlier. Now mix them up, kind of like kneading until they're well combined. And if you want to taste first before cooking, pick a tiny bit and microwave until cooked so you can adjust if you want more sour, spicy, etc. It should lead with sour and spicy, then the kick from all the herbs. Then make it into meatballs, not too big, about a quail egg size. Looks lovely. Let's fry them. Pour enough vegetable oil for deep frying. We're using medium heat. If the heat is too high, the outside will be cooked while inside is still going to be raw. And to check if the oil is hot already, dip a wooden chopstick or any wooden stick in the oil. If you see some bubbles, then it's ready. Then I'm gonna make my toppings crispy by frying them first. For kaffir lime leaves, be careful with the oil splash. Whoa. Huh, looks like someone is having fun doing crazy swimming. This won't take long, just a little less than a minute. And then we're gonna rest them on a paper towel. Then put the meatballs one by one in the pan. At the beginning, you'll see a lot of bubbles. Let them be for about 30 seconds for forming up. And then flip, or if your oil covers them all, just move them around gently. Until we see less bubbles, that can tell that the inside starts to be cooked already. Once they turn brown, the last 30 seconds turn up to high heat and stir. Then rest on a strainer. Okay, I'll finish the rest. And then serve. I'm gonna top with some crispy chilies and kaffir lime leaves for extra aroma. And a little touch up over here. Smells so good. I hope you'll try soon and love it. If you like this recipe, don't forget to leave this video a thumb up. Check out and subscribe for more Thai and Asian recipes every week. Don't forget the bell button. See you again next video, guys. สวัสดีค่ะ